by as we alert other stations on WBAP. We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Stevens County, northeastern Eastland County, and southwestern Palo Pinto County in north central Texas until 6:15 p.m. At 5:12 this afternoon, a severe thunderstorm was located near Gunsight, or 7 miles north of Eastland, moving east at 15 miles per hour. The hazards within this radar-indicated storm are 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Repeating, the National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Palo Pinto County and north central Texas, as well as northeastern Eastland County and southeastern Stevens County until 6:15 this evening. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.